Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a beautiful display of all of these round brass American S100 locks. What all these locks have in common is they're all from the same system, but each one of these locks are keyed differently. So what I have done is I have obtained the master key, which I have right here, and I'm going to share with you me opening these locks with the change key and then the master key. What's really cool about this is this is something that I didn't expect I was going to be able to get done, but I'm so happy to share it with you. But one thing I do want to mention is I have shown in a previous video all of the keys to these locks, so they're already out in the open, but I feel like it would be bad form to show the bitting to the master key. I'd really hate to compromise the whole system over that. So what I'm going to do is just go through each lock one by one, showing you the opening up the lock with the key that it came with, and then I'm going to go through all of these locks one more time, and I'm going to open them up with the master key. This is just going to be a really quick video, and it's more of just a fun video, something I am proud that I was able to get accomplished. And I just wanted to share with everyone because there's always been talk about these locks being master keyed. It was something that I hinted at a little while back when I was picking one and I leashed it, and then I was able to get bitting on two different locks. Some of these don't open up super easy because of the master pins inside, so you will try one more time and we get this one opened right up. And it's just been a fun process, and we've gone through Bear's Back, going through a whole series. Then we went through the board lock picker, opening up one destructively so he could take it apart, and then he was able to verify that they're master wafers. Then we were able to get the product number, and then we were able to see that it definitely was master keyed. So each master key is only going to work on the system. I have other brass locks that are not on this system, and the master key does not work. It only works on this system, but I want to say that it's a really cool thing to have. So either way, we have now opened up all of these locks. So what I'm going to do is just take the lock out of frame for just 1 second. I'm going to insert the key. And now we have the master key back in. We can see that it opens it up. We can close it up, take the lock out of frame, and we're going to repeat. So now we're going to do this one right here. Got the master key in. Opens right up. Now we're going to do this one. Okay, 3 down and 3 to go. Alright, now we got 2 more to go. And I just want to say this is a really satisfying thing to be able to do. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has just been a really cool showing of these really beautiful brass American S100 locks, and on top of that I was able to show you a little bit of the master key that works with this system. It's something I'm so proud to be able to have. It is just such a really great thing, and it's so fun to be able to open up all of these different locks with just one key. But I do think it's important for me to try to protect the system as much as I can. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been a really quick video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode.